If you are planning to learn sculpting in 2026 and become a sculptor, you're going to fail like every other year that you've planned this. Why? Because if you do not have what it takes to take action right now, bro, stop fooling yourself that you'll take action on the new year. New year resolutions do not work. So I have brought for you the perfect opportunity. And what I have for you, bro, is I have brought you the 1 month sculpting challenge, the free 4 week program that is going to allow you to take your sculpting from here and finally getting to learn this. And if you join right now, I will be launching this on the 23rd of November. And if you join, then you will already enter 2026 as a sculptor. Screw the new year resolution, bro. You don't need that. You will enter 2026 as a sculptor. So let me tell you how this works. Go check out the link in the description. You will come to this page. All you have to do is press the join group button. Okay, when you press the join group button, I will get a request inside the community. I will not be accepting the requests right now. Okay, that is because I just want you guys to wait. I want to collect all of the excited artists, and on 23rd November I'm going to launch and everyone is going to get inside. Also on the 24th November, the enrollments for this program are going to close and there will be no more enrollments. Once you join, I will show you the community and the inside as well. Once you join, once we launch the community, you will get access to this 4 week program where I have already laid out everything for you. You get all of the 3D models, you get all of the step-by-step processes, and I will show you this inside as well. So first of all, I will tune your mindset. Okay, because if you do not have a healthy mindset, bro, you cannot follow a tutorial. Okay, that is the first thing that we're going to target because that is the most important thing. Also, what you will get is you will get this community where you can see other people have been posting. Right before this, we had about 275 members, but I kicked everyone out so that this place can be refreshed and it will be extremely active. Okay, so this is a fresh new, we have a clean slate. And then you also get a community where you can share your work. Everyone is going to be practicing alongside you. So you're going to have the positive FOMO effect where like every one of your friends, when they buy the latest Call of Duty, like, oh bro, I want to play the Call of Duty as well. Over here, everyone is going to be progressing in this sculpt and you're going to be one feel like, oh bro, I'm feeling left behind, bro. And you will progress as well. By the end of the 30-day head challenge, you can see one of these results is going to be yours because these are all of the prior results that I got from this course. You can see people have learned in 11 days. 20 days. You can read here, LeBron, he almost gave up. I always thought sculpting was way too hard and didn't start for a long time. Because of it, I decided to give sculpting a last try with this course and the result I got were amazing. Okay. So if you've tried courses before this, tutorial before this, and they have not worked and you're on the peak and you're at the edge of giving up, bro, I promise I will get your results within the next 30 days if you follow the instructions inside. Okay. A thing to notice about this challenge is that every month I will host this challenge. The enrollments will close on 24th November and for the next 30 days, we will be holding this challenge inside. If anyone tries to enroll within those 30 days, they will be pushed forward to the next head sculpting challenge, the next 1 month challenge, and I will accept all of the requests on that date after 30 days. Okay. So if you miss this one, you can just join and once the next session launches, you will be let inside the community. And yeah, we will keep repeating this till the end of the world. Okay. And it is going to be very exciting. The reason that I will be only accepting enrollments is because previously this community was absolutely free. Anyone could join anytime. And that creates a mismatch. That creates a mismatch of people who have been already inside the community. They got the results, but now they are inactive. They moved on to my paid programs. They moved on to the Da Vinci School or they moved on to learning things on their own, which is absolutely fine. And yeah, that creates a mismatch. So every month I will wipe this community clean and you can rejoin as many times as you want, though I think you won't need to because you'll get the results within the 30 days. And yeah, let's have a look around. Let's look inside at the course. So what you get inside is once you're inside, you will go to the classroom section. In the classroom section, you will have the 1 month sculpting challenge. And over here, I have laid down everything step by step. You get all of the source files, all of the 3D models. I leave you hanging with nothing. And you can see once you go through week through, by the way, you can do week 1 in just 2 days or in the first day because this is all mindset videos and you will have a 3-week lead, 1 week lead, which is insane, bro. Okay. And on week 2, you see, we'll be practicing the skull level 1, skull level 2. And then on week 3, we will be learning the face level 1, face level 2. And after face level 2, we will be studying individual parts of the face. Okay. And of course, at the end of it, you will have your final result here in the final pass. And one of these results is gonna be your result. So it is extremely exciting. Do not procrastinate on this. Do not be a Jerry. If you're interested, bro, and if you actually want to learn and enter 2026 as a sculptor and not be just another wannabe, oh, bro, I'll learn sculpting next year. Bro, it's not gonna happen. If you don't do this right now, stop fooling yourself. You do this next year. How many more New Years do you have to go through to realize this lesson? The only way to get action is to take immediate action. Imperfect action will always beat a perfect plan. You can plan for the New Year resolution, bro, but I guarantee you won't make it past 2 weeks of January. And then you're going to be, oh, I'll wait February. Oh, I'll wait for the next Monday. Oh, maybe next March, bro. I promise I'll start on 1st March. And then New Year is going to come. And yeah, promise this 2027. I swear, bro. Bullshit, bro. Stop fooling yourself. Click the link in the description and join this 1 month head sculpting challenge right now. I will see you inside. Goodbye.